Hi, I am Dr. Deepa kanchankoti, practicing dermatologist in Kandivali, Mumbai. Youthful look is something which everyone looks forward to. But with each passing birthday, one starts noticing the fine lines and the wrinkles, and then starts the search for the best anti-wrinkle cream, the best anti-wrinkle treatment which is available around. But before you delve into all these, first understand what these wrinkles are, how they appear, and what can be done to prevent them. And if they are already present, then which treatments are available so that they can be taken care of, and one should have a realistic expectation. First, understand the skin. Skin has three layers: epidermis, the superficial layer; dermis, the middle layer; and below that is the fat. Below that is muscle, and then the bone. So when one is looking forward to remove the wrinkles, one must understand that there are changes which are happening in each of these. In epidermal layer, there may be some areas which will be thick, some will be thin, and this causes the patchiness and the pigmentation which will make the skin look uneven tone. If there is changes in the middle layer or the dermal layer, there are changes in the collagen and the elastin fibers and the matrix material in between. The intrinsic aging which happens as aging process, or the external factor which causes aging process to happen, that is the ultraviolet rays coming from the sunlight or other sources, and smoking. Yes, you heard, smoking leads to changes in these collagen fibers and elastin fibers. When you are young, the healing capacity of these fibers is good, so there is no wrinkle formation. But as you start aging, the healing process slows down, and therefore the repair is slow and the wrinkle formation starts. Fat loss, bone resorption, superactivity of the muscles on the face, all these leads to wrinkles. There are fine lines, dynamic wrinkles, and static wrinkles. What are these? So once the changes in the collagen and elastin fiber starts happening, you start developing fine lines. When you make an action on the muscle, like for example, you raise the eyebrows, the frown line appears. You bring the eyebrows closer and you get those angry bird lines. You squeeze the muscles of your eyes and you start getting these crow's feet. Or when you laugh, you get these laugh lines which are very deep. And then when there is drooping of the angle of the mouth, you get these marionette lines. There is hollowness of the cheeks. Some people have too much of hollowness leading to accordion lines or too many wrinkles in the cheeks. There can be jowl or sagging of the skin, and people are looking for only one single cream which will remove all these things. That doesn't actually happen. If you want the dynamic lines to disappear, then you must relax these lines. So we have botulinum. When these are delivered to these muscles, the muscles are relaxed and the dynamic lines goes. But then there are static lines. Static lines are those lines which are present even when the muscle is not making the action. So there comes the role of fillers. So these fill up the hollows which are created by the fat disappearance or loss of the muscle tone. Then you must understand that some of these processes, they take time and you are working against the timeline. So some of the processes needs to be repeated. What is more important is that you must take care of the skin or prevent this process from happening, and for that the foremost is the moisturizer. Depending upon the skin type, various types of ingredients are there in different moisturizers to suit the different skin types. So use of moisturizer regular basis, use of a sunscreen to prevent the aging from the ultraviolet rays, stoppage of smoking are the preventive measures. Of course, healthy eating, exercise are there, but other than that, there is botulinum, there is hyaluronic acid fillers, there are threads which will create new collagen elastin, then there are lasers and light therapies and RF, and the list is endless. So you can choose among the plethora, but expecting that one wrinkle cream or some massage oil will remove all the wrinkles doesn't happen. So take care of your skin and delay the signs of aging. Thank you.